guys, so this is the video where I talk about my Herbalife experience. I've been on Herbalife now for 7 days, and I've heard stories of people losing 7 pounds in 7 days. And to be honest, that's the only story I've heard of, because I went to a Herbalife launch party and the ladies were talking that so much one of them lost, and I don't know if she was exercising as much as I was. Well, I doubt she was because she didn't say it. But I want to talk about and I'm going to show you exactly the flavors I have too. I want to talk about the protein drink mix, and I have it in vanilla. And I'm going to talk about the healthy meal wild berry. I have it in wild berry. And I also want to talk about the herbal aloe concentrate and also the herbal tea concentrate. So I was on these 4 things. Well, I took this is still cold, this is in the fridge actually, and I have 3 capfuls in a 2,000 milliliter bottle. And initially when I tasted it, I hated how it tasted. And I did not, I was like, ugh. Every time I took like a gulp, I was like, ugh, every time I took a gulp, it was just, I just couldn't get used to the taste. So after a while, as I still drink, I was like, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It reminds me of lime. Have you guys ever had lime water? It reminds me of lime water. So I can get used to that, but I just had it once just to tell you guys what it did, how it tasted. In terms of going to the bathroom, I didn't find myself going to the bathroom that much, and I had the entire 2,000 milliliter for that day, and I didn't go to the bathroom as much as what other people said. But I've only had it once that day, so I didn't have it as much times maybe how I should have been having it. So that was just one time. Now for the tea, I've been drinking the tea for the 7 full days straight. I started on Wednesday and I stopped on the following Wednesday, on the Thursday, yeah, just to give the products enough time. So I didn't want to stop on Wednesday the same week I started, because the first time I took it on the Wednesday, it would have just gotten into my system working its way through. So I stopped on the Thursday, the following Thursday. So the tea concentrate, I don't know, I cannot get used to not having any, what you call it now, sugar, no sweetener in my tea. It tastes horrible without the sweetener, but I did tea and put sugar in there, put 1 teaspoon of sugar in there, and it was so much better. I need to know a substitute for sugar that's not as fattening, not as dangerous, not as whatever. I definitely need a substitute. I'm going to be googling, but if you guys have any suggestions, you can let me know in the comment section. But yes, that I have the flavor raspberry, and I don't taste the raspberry like that, especially when I don't have it with a teaspoon of sugar. But when I had it with a teaspoon of sugar 2 mornings, I kind of tasted the raspberry, but it's not a very strong raspberry taste. Now, as for the protein drink mix and the healthy meal, these two, this is what we make. And I say we because both me and my mommy, we share these products. As you can see, we got the large containers because I have like some smaller ones, not very small, but I have slimmer, shorter ones, but we got the large ones. And these together taste like heaven. For the first, I think, day or 2, I used almond milk because they said that we could use almond milk, but it wasn't as frothy and as whippy as how they made it at the launch party. So my mommy used water instead of the almond milk to make it, and it was frothy, it was whippy, it felt full, it was delicious. And all for the first couple times, I think we used banana and strawberries. Mommy, yeah, you still add more banana and strawberry? Oh yeah, so she just add banana to my shake alone, but for her she just did the shake alone, but for me she add the banana. And that's just, I don't know, I don't think I would need to add the banana, but I just choose to add the banana, I guess, for added fullness or whatever. But I love it so much. I have the tea in the mornings, and whenever I have this, I am full. It take wholly for me full good, and I am full whenever I have this. And I'm like, how is that? And it's only what, 5 calories. How? I'm full, so I have to wait probably 45 minutes to half an hour before I can drink the shake. I have to wait because my belly still feels nice and full. When I have the shake, I'm full for another 2 hours. I don't know what it is, what makes it so filling, but whenever I have the shake, I'm full, I'm good. I don't eat again until probably 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. If I'm having a very busy day, I don't eat again until 4 o'clock, and then that 4 o'clock will be my last meal. Now, since I've been on my weight loss journey, I have not been eating as much, but I have been eating whatever I feel for. So if I feel for a Price Mart donut, I get a Price Mart donut. If I feel for Cadbury chocolate, I get a Cadbury chocolate. If I feel for chili cheese fries by Wendy's, I'm getting chili cheese fries by Wendy's, boo-boo. Whatever I feel for, I always have it. One thing I have to, and Fumi was the one who said it to me. She was like, Lyric, you're breastfeeding. If you have a craving for something, have it. You never know, it may be your body telling you that, okay, probably Jonathan needs this. And I'm not making excuses saying, oh, my baby making me gain the weight or whatever, but I'm not making that excuse. I'm just saying I have to be conscious because I am breastfeeding. Recently I've been taking public transportation, so I'm up and about. I'm not in a taxi just driving me everywhere. I'm, you know, calm and situated. I'm jumping on that bus, going on that bus, going on the bus. I'm semi-active, not active, I'm hella active. I go to the hill every single day, 5 to 6 times a week. I do the hill twice, sometimes. If I don't do the hill twice, sometimes I do it once. Today's the only time I did it once because I'm just so drained. And when I do the hill, a lot of you don't know this, but I actually, there's a field close to where I live, like a school field, and I run around that once and then walk around it once. So that's what I do because my aim is to burn 2,000 calories within my workout. So I get up at 4 in the morning. So I am doing a lot in terms of my fitness. Plus I have Jonathan, and when I can't leave him here with grandma or with Auntie Rosie, that's my husband's mommy, I do that. You know what I mean? Or I leave him with my great grandmother, with his great grandmother, my grandmother. That when I say grandma, I mean my grandma. Or I leave him with my mommy, which is his grandma. So I am very active, and the reason why I'm going so hard is because it's just a lot going on, especially with Pomi and, you know, where I'd want it to be and where it's not. Exercising keeps my mind occupied, and I've recently started doing 200 abs per day, and this is my 3rd day doing it. Today is Friday, and I feel the tightness already in my abdominal area. I have not taken a before and after picture because that's where I have my most insecurity, my belly area and also my thighs, and I do have stretch marks by my lovely son Jonathan. But yeah, so that's where I have my insecurity where that is concerned. But I can fully say with the Herbalife products that I just showed you guys, I was stuck at 150, 155, 150, 155, 150, 155. I was stuck there for about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I could not go down, and since I started Herbalife, I have dropped an additional 4 pounds. I'm now at 146 pounds. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Finally, I'm in the 140s. Finally, I'm in the 140s. So what else do I eat apart from the Herbalife stuff that I've been showing guys? Well, I have the tea and the shake in the morning every morning for the past 7 days. Then during the day I have either or Pomi slim down shake, or I have a salad. Now if I'm on the road, which I am quite a amount of times, I will have a salad by Wendy's. Or if I'm passing KFC, a salad by KFC. I've only had KFC salad and Wendy's salad. I haven't had Burger King or any of those other salads. But every single time I've only had Wendy's 3 times this week. When I say Wendy's, I mean the salad. I've only had the salad and just 3 times and not order the chili cheese fries. I always order chili cheese fries with my Wendy's salad. Always. I start with the salad, finish with the chili cheese fries. Always. And whenever I go to Price Mart, which is probably once a week, I always get the iced coffee. Apart from the past 2 times, I have not gotten any iced coffee, which I'm like, okay, boo boo, I'll see you. But I fully believe in my heart of hearts that the Herbalife really just kicked my weight loss a little bit, and it made me got into the 140s, because as I told you guys, I've been in 150, 155, 150, 155, and I could not go in the 140s to save my life. And finally I'm 146 pounds, and I'm completely grateful. I just did it for the 7 days though, because you know, I just want to tell you guys how I feel. If I'm continuing with Herbalife, you guys will know via my Snapchat. For now, me and my mommy share someone want to do or something basically. So if I'm going to go back to Herbalife, you guys will definitely know via Snapchat. And everything else that I'll be doing for my weight loss and everything, I'm sorry for pushing Snapchat so much, you guys, but I really do post mostly on Snapchat about like my everyday life, what I'm doing, what I'm going. filters for days. So yeah, that's basically it. I have nothing else to say. If you're thinking about Herbalife and it's just you, you're not sharing with anybody, I'll say get the small ones, and you can definitely start with what I have here. For the herbal aloe, for the aloe concentrate, they say it's for digestive health. So I hear that it makes you urine a lot, and I hear that it helps with de-bloating as well. You guys know I have my flat tummy tea for de-bloating, so I really just tried it to taste it out. But if you want to do the entire Herbalife line and nothing outside of that, then you can definitely do the aloe concentrate for your de-bloating, for your digestive what you call it, health or whatever. But yeah, so these are the 4 things that I've been doing: the protein shake vanilla, and the healthy meal wild berry, and the tea raspberry, and the aloe concentrate. Right, if you are interested in purchasing a Herbalife, I will have a number linked in the description bar for you. Not linked, I'll put the number that the person that we use for our Herbalife is one of my pastors at my church, so she's who we buy our Herbalife from. So if you guys want to purchase it, she does live in Portmore, obviously she delivers. So if you live in Portmore, that's even better for you, so you can go ahead and give her a call if you want to make some orders. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. I fully, just for the 7 days that I've been doing it, it has gotten me into the 146 for the 7 days. When this Saturday I was 155, the Saturday before the Wednesday, and when I weighed this morning Thursday, I'm 156 pounds. But I started the Herbalife on the Wednesday. So I started the Herbalife. I just want to give you guys dates, because you may be watching this at like a weird time. Not to say Wednesday, Thursday, I don't have any dates. Which month we're in now? August. So I started, oh my god, we're in August. Today's the 5th. So I started it, I don't know, the Wednesday 27th. I started the Wednesday the 27th, and today is the 5th now, right? So I started the 27th, 28th, 29th, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I stopped yesterday, which was Thursday the 4th, and today is the 5th, Friday. So that's basically it, you guys, on my Herbalife experience and what it has done for my weight loss. Thank you so much for watching, and I asked you guys if you wanted to see this video to do screenshots on Snapchat, and you guys, I got a lot of screenshots for that, so that's why I'm bringing you this video today. So I'll talk to you in the next one.
To God be the glory, we are got art and done. Yo brother, do your verse before me.
Our movements, I know we are that. Any good we do, I know we cause that. When you pray with story, do not give we no glory. Praise be to Jesus, the real author. And we not take defense, cause we no fear no pestilence. My team no have no joke, and we no mean the yoke of the Christ a straight excellence.